Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What a great day today. Red days are the days you buy the dips. Did you buy the dips today? I held quite a bit in cash, but decided to actually buy today with the very intention of trimming back up again when we could. And today we're starting to see that now, so we can see. So let's get into it. Let's bring all our information on the screen below. We've also got our competition launching as well today. You can win $200 in cash. Fantastic. Very, very exciting. And we're looking forward to doing that. Let's go through all our positions, and you can see as we are below the market, but you can see we're rapidly climbing up again quite quickly. You can see on the Roth IRA, look how quick that is. Hang on a minute. You're earning oh, look at this. Breaking news just come through. You're earning a 3% IRA match with gold, and 3% match on IRA contributions as a gold member. That's up to 225-year match. Look at that. That just popped up on Robinhood. 3% match. And let me just see if I can... if that will do anything. No, it won't. I was thinking, I wonder if they're going to give me some more money, but no, they haven't. Unfortunately, I've already contributed. That's a bit annoying, isn't it? I wish I hadn't done it so early now. Oh, well, that's just the way it goes. How frustrating is that? 3% last year, 3% this year. I bet a lot of people are a bit peeved about that, but that's the way it goes. Anyway, let's go through all our positions and share with you once again. So you can see we're coming up quite very quickly. Our overall balance, you can see, is 56.2. Yeah, I mean, basically 7. I've missed out on 2% twice. So 2%, what's that? 7.14, 7.14.21. It's about 440, about $280. $280. Mind you, I couldn't have done the other one, so it wouldn't have been, there'd been $140 I've missed out, really, for this year. I've missed out on $140 this year. That's all I've actually missed out on, which would have been nice. I got to be honest, would have been nice. But there you go. It's the way it is. But if the money hadn't have been in, I wouldn't have been up $2,000. So let's look at it like that. Okay, let's go through all our positions. What have we got? What a great opportunity if we go up from here. Hi from sunny Shropshire. Wonderful to have you here. My name's Martyn Lucas from Cornwall. My studio is here in Dallas, Texas, Shropshire. Lovely to have you here, my booty, my handsome, my lover. Bit of Cornish there for you for our Englishman there. Hi from Shropshire. Lil Blighter. Lovely to have you here. Welcome to the show. Great. But everybody, please welcome Lil Blighter in, a guest from the UK. Just popped in there. All right. Let's get straight into it. Our global family is now 38 countries. We have 95% of our live viewers are members, and they do that for a reason. Ask them why, and they'll tell you all about it. Right, let's go for our positions. Virgin Galactic, we've been buying it on the way down. Our last purchase was 355, so we're nearly on that. We didn't go any lower. We didn't go down here. At some point you got to go. Enough's enough for now, at least. Palantir, we're reporting on the earnings tonight. Join us for that. Gold is coming back up again. S&P is up today, 0.8. Amazon is up 1.86. That's one of my big positions. I did trim off the top though. But very happy with that. Apple went down today. Welcome, Lil Blighter. There you go. You got a welcome there from Crag, one of our members. Thanks, Crag. NEE, next year Energy's coming up. Phase Energy is coming back up as well. So there we go. Coca-Cola, one of my big positions, doing well. J&J soaring away, up nearly 6% now. Very nice indeed. Kenvue, spin-off deal coming up in a few days' time. Chevron up. I'm still out the money by 9%. I'd like to get my money out of Chevron. Tesla, we had an opportunity to buy this morning. Did you do it? Rivian, moving up. McDonald's, very nice indeed. Nice move for McDonald's today, up 1.37. It's a big position for me now. It's 5% of my portfolio. Very nice indeed. Google, up again. Lil Blighter, liked it. Thumbs up from Lil Blighter. Welcome to you. When moon, says Alex. When the moon? The moon comes out every night. What do you mean? When moon? What does that mean? Walmart up 1.49. And I need you to be more clear. When Moon. All I've got is when Moon. Tilray Brands is down 3% today. I'm down 4%. All those gains we had, we've lost and thrown them all away. Never mind. Robinhood is up today, 1.2. We're holding a good, strong position there. IonQ, opportunity today. I'm still up 10% though on it overall. Rocket Labs. We are reporting on Rocket Lab. How's the music channel? I haven't looked today. Okay, let me have a quick look for you, Mike. I hadn't had a look. Let me have a quick look at the music channel. I know that Mike has been doing some looping for me, trying to keep it alive, and I really do appreciate it. We've gained a couple of subscribers now because we were losing so many subscribers because what happens is after a period of years that people don't watch, they fall off, and it's a good thing. It's a good thing. You don't want thousands of subscribers and only 2 people watch. You'd much rather have 2 subscribers and 2 watch. It gives you a much stronger channel. So let me have a quick look, Mike. Let's have a look. Right, we've gained... we were right. We got down as far as 53881 subscribers. We're now 5383. So we've gained a couple of subscribers, and I can see you've been watching a few of the Christmas. You like the Christmas songs, don't you? Mike does like the Christmas songs, but yeah, it's keeping above the 4,000 watch hours, but it's very slow now. It needs another Friday night music night, doesn't it? It needs another Friday night music night. So yeah. We are in the lifetime 30. That can't be right. That can't be right. What's going on there? Watch hours. That can't be right. Let me have a look. Lifetime. Oh, 37. Fourth. Oh, that's the lifetime. I was thinking that's right. Wrong. Okay, the last 365 days. 4,300. So we're 300 above the 4,000. We need to do a Friday night concert, don't we? For those of you who have no idea what I'm talking about, this is my music channel. I was voted as the World Piano Man. Here is my music channel, and there we go. That's what Mike's been asking about, keeping above the 4,000 watch hours. We're 4,300 yet, but we do need to do another music night. Thank you for asking, Mike. I appreciate that you care so much with me about my music channel. It's my main channel, really, but there you go. It is what it is, right? Okay, space. When will it go to the moon? That's better. Now I understand what you're talking about. I kind of knew. I just thought I'd play with you there a little bit, Alex. Anyway, when will it go to the moon? Blimey. It's a long-term play now, isn't it? I've changed my view on this one. I don't think we're going to get any explosive prices now. I think there's no reason for it. I think the markets have changed. The economy's changed. We want value. We want profitable stocks, companies. I think this is one you're going to have to wait for. So, do you want to park money here that could be earning money somewhere else? It's a hard one, isn't it? Today hurt a little, but I'm happy to see it coming back up. 4,000 shares of space. Yes, indeed. I mean, the idea is buy the bottom and then sell out the higher stocks. I mean, that's and start trimming and lowering your averages. That's what you want. Okay, that's good. Thanks for looking. Thank you very much. Akil Tij Tai. Welcome to you. What country are you from? I'll speak to you in your language. Can't wait for you to do the full Love Actually version of I Feel It in My Fingers this year at Crimber. Yes. Do you want to hear it a bit now? I feel it in my fingers. I feel it in my toes. Love is all around me, and so the feeling grows. There you go. A little bit of music for you. Hi, says Akil. Wonderful to have you here. Hey, Akil, says Crag. What are you leaning towards with Palantir stock? UK. What, you're from the UK. Wonderful to have you here. I'm from Cornwall. In my studio is here in Dallas, Texas. It's lovely to have you here. Become a family member. Join the party. All right. Okay. Let's go for our positions. Palantir, we're covering the earnings tonight. Do you want the link for that? Of course you do. Of course you do. Let me give you the link for Palantir earnings tonight. Upcoming live streams. Here it is. We added this tonight. Special request. We added it. One of our members asked for it. So would you cover the Palantir earnings tonight? So yes, we are doing it. PLTR earnings tonight. Straight after the show. You asked for it. So you're going to get it. And now you've asked for it. By God, you better watch it. I wasn't even going to do it. I was going to have a night off watching the TV, but oh no, it's not enough to go live 10 hours a day. Now we got to do another hour or two. Oh my gosh. There we go. There's the Palantir earnings. You better join in. Otherwise, there's going to be hell up. I'm telling you. Right, there you go. There's the Palantir earnings. Be the first person to leave a comment here other than me in the chat. Who's it going to be? Who's going to leave a comment? Who's going to be the first person to leave a comment? All right. Okay. Now then, who wants to win $200? Who wants to win $200 in cash? Oh, yes. We're giving away $200 in cash. You all know about it. Here's the giveaway. Here's the giveaway page. Have you seen the video? Should I give you the video? I should give you the video, really. I'm making it too easy for you. I'm making it too easy. I don't want to make it too easy. Let me give you the video. All right. Let me refresh the page because it's a little bit behind. All right. Here we go. Here is the giveaway. We're giving away $200 in cash live on the show. Anybody want it? If you want it, you know what you got to do. All right. Here you go. Here's the giveaway. I'm not going to tell you anything about it. I'm going to make it hard for you. You got to go and watch it. All right. You got to go and watch it. I'm not even going to tell you how to enter. I'm not even going to tell you. Why should I give you $200 and make it too easy? All right. There's the there's the video. Let's have a look. Are you buying? Am I buying what? Am I buying Palantir? No, not at the moment. I'm fully invested with everything else. I'll leave a comment, says Andy Shovel. I WhatsApped you, so can chat there, hopefully. WhatsApp, I don't communicate with anyone on WhatsApp, Andy, I'm afraid. The only way to talk to me is via comments on YouTube, Twitter, on my Twitter account, or through Discord. That's really the best ways to talk to me. That's all verified, and I know who I'm talking to. WhatsApp is full of... anything to do with Facebook is just full of scammers and bots. I ain't got time for it. All right, so if you want to talk to me via comments. I will reply to all of my members' comments. And if I get time left over from replying to all my members, then I go to non-members. You can also do Twitter as well. I'll give you my Twitter account. I reply to everyone on Twitter. Okay, I reply to everybody on Twitter. What is your website? What's on your website? Well, all kinds of stuff, really. And what do you want to know? Andy Shovel. What do you want to know about my website? You want to know about the giveaway? You want to know about how we're going to give $200 away? All right, there you go. Here's the website. There you go. There's the giveaway. Okay. There you are. I've made it too easy for you now. I shouldn't have done that, really. Made it too easy, ain't I? Unbelievable. Right. Okay, let's do a bit of housework. We got 45 minutes to go. Then we're going to end the show. And then, of course, we have the earnings for Palantir. This is what we're covering tonight. All right. Gold. The S&P. Amazon up today, 1.68. Lovely. Apple going down today. Next year energy coming back up. End phase. Oh, I want to see this one come up. We really do. We've put a lot of money into this one now. And let's see how it all works out. Coca-Cola doing very well. Good evening, says Niels. No, I was saying I got your WhatsApp number off your website. Really kind of you, but I don't use Twitter. I have an inquiry for you, which is best for comments. So I sent it on there. Okay, you sent me a comment. Yeah, I don't use WhatsApp, I'm afraid. Anything to do with WhatsApp, Telegram, I don't use. I don't use it. I only use YouTube, Twitter, Discord, Yeah, that's it. Anyway, Andy, it's nice to meet you. Coca-Cola, J&J, Kenview. You can also talk to me in here as well. I'm live 10 hours a day. So you could talk direct. You could even phone into the show. Anyway, Rivian, McDonald's, Google. What a nice rally on Google. How can I send you an inquiry which isn't suited to public comments? Okay, well, you can, if you want to send me a private message, you can send me a private message on Twitter. I know you said you don't use it. You can send me a private message on Discord. Yeah, that's really it. Everything else I have to keep away from because the scammers and bots and people like that. I get thousands of emails a day from scammers. I get thousands of WhatsApp a day from scammers. So that's the best way. All right. We'll have to wait for 2024 for end phase. Yep. I think you're right. Now is the time just to, okay, I don't use those. I have 250,000 in space and I wanted to ask you if you'd like to manage it. Andy Shovel, no, I don't do anything like that. And you know that. Yeah, okay. Yeah, not in, I can't do anything like that, mate. Yeah. Mike has spotted it straight away. Thank you, Mike. Tilray Brands, Robinhood, IonQ. What a bit of a deal today. 10% today on IonQ. Nice. These are such volatile times, aren't they, in stocks? You can really, if you catch the swings right, oh my gosh, you can really make some serious money on these swings. It's absolutely incredible. Yeah. You think that's funny, Mike? You want to see my emails. You want to see my WhatsApps. You want to see thousands of comments a day. Lucid rallying back. So you still have some shares, Martin? No. No. I'm not touching Lucid. Never touch it again. It's a scam stock. I can't be involved in anything like that. Anything that pays the CEO half $1 billion in wages just to lose the company money. I'm sorry. I can't show any interest to Lucid, I'm afraid. Yeah. Andy Shovel, what is a silly question? You just asked me to manage your money, so you must understand that comes across as a terrible scam. So obviously we are, we're nothing to do with stuff like that. Anyway, all right. So I'm polite to everybody, and I shouldn't be, should I? Should I? Anyway, we got to move on to our actual investors. Funware, Faraday, Rio Tinto, Meta, Bitcoin, up 10% today. Sorry, I beg your pardon. What am I talking about? I'm up 10%. I bought it at 15,000. Hang on, what's on about? What am I talking about? Forget what I'm talking about. Ignore me. I was thinking about something else. Making no sense at all there. Right, let's go back over to our news, see if we've got any information coming in from Bloomberg right now. Right, let's have a little look on Bloomberg. Tyson to shut more US chicken plants. We get all the news here, right? Let's have a quick look at our positions overall. Let's have a look. As you can see, the Dow Jones is up 1%. The S&P is up 0.74. The NASDAQ is up 0.38. Acapulco state sees political violence reemerge ahead of vote. we got an item here from Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs sells 2.75 billion of bonds ahead of CPI. CPI. More information here on Donald Trump. Trump defamation claim against accuser. We don't read all this out. It's not what we want to talk about. What else have we got here? Stocks rebound after a weekly drop. Treasuries fall and markets wrap. There we go. We're seeing a little bit of a rally now. The Dow Jones up 1%, S&P's up 0.75, and NASDAQ up 0.39. Mexico equity ETF bleeds cash as nation's currency slumps, and shale executives see pay bumps for cash flow more than growth. Okay. Here's a bit of Cathy Wood. What does Cathy Wood have to say? This is interesting. Cathy Wood says SEC will approve multiple Bitcoin ETFs. This will be good. At once. When we get ETFs for Bitcoin, that'll be interesting, won't it? There you go. I very much look forward to seeing all of that come to play. Be very exciting. Anyway, we'll look out for that. That's something we've been waiting for as well on our channel. Okay. Let's have a look. Thank you, Mike. Mike is doing my research for me. Thank you very much. Hopefully we'll hear about the progress of the Neutron rocket and Archimedes engine on the Rocket Lab's earnings tomorrow. Pete Barker, we are covering the Rocket Lab earning tomorrow night. So that is after hours tomorrow. If you want to go to the Rocket Lab earning, let me give it to you. As you can see, there it is. If you want to be the first person to leave a comment there, as I know you are an investor in Rocket Lab, I will give you the Rocket Lab earnings. We'll cover that tomorrow. We've got Plug in the Morning. There is Rocket Lab for you in the chat. We've got Plug in the Morning, and we've got Palantir after hours tonight. In half an hour, I'll be ending the show to go there. Hello, Delph. How are you? Lovely to have you here. Well, Andy, just assuming that everything you're saying is okay. I can't, and I wouldn't handle anybody's money. That's not what we do. That's not the sort of thing that I do at all. You can't do that. It would be against the law, and we don't do anything like that. We're here to help people. I don't manage anyone's money like that. So, no, I'm terribly sorry, but that's nothing we can even think about doing. Anyway, Henrik, good afternoon, Henrik. Lovely to have you here. Cheers, Martin. I'll be watching. You're very, very welcome. Thank you for choosing us to watch it. Appreciate that very much indeed. Okay. Virgin Galactic. Palantir, covering it tonight. Let's go and do a bit of... hang on. Have we got anything in the breakfast bar? Let's have a quick look. Let's see. No, nothing in a minute. Let me just do some homework on here, because we are now releasing our $200 cash giveaway. Andy, I would recommend the following, the show and mirroring his moves, a bit of self-management. Andy, I would recommend following the show and mirroring his moves, a bit of self-management. Okay. Monsters Channel, I have to choose only one Hood or Palantir. Which one would be best, Hood or Palantir? Well, I know more about Robinhood. So, for me, it's Robinhood only because I understand the business a lot better than Palantir. I don't know much about it. It's why we're covering the earnings. It's why I'm going to listen in and learn more tonight. Are you handling the Plug earnings? Yes, I am doing the Plug earnings in the morning. There is Rocket Lab. If you look on the homepage of the YouTube channel, think of it as a TV guide. There it is. Look, there it is. There's Palantir tonight. There's Plug in the morning. There's the opening and closing bell. There's Rocket Lab tomorrow night. Look at it all. It's all laid out there for you. There's the flight, Virgin Galactic. There's IonQ. It's all there in your home time zone on the homepage of the YouTube channel. Okay. We are doing the earnings. Here we go. Virgin Galactic is coming up. Palantir is just dropping off again. Gold still coming up. S&P doing very well. Amazon, Apple, NEE, Enphase, Coca-Cola up. J&J. What you can see right now is all our defensives are doing very, very well. You may have noticed that. So let's do a little bit of maintenance, shall we? A little bit of housework. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it right now. Let's do a little bit of maintenance. We'll put what should we put? We'll get the exciting music. Oh yeah, here it comes. You ready? What do we want to get? We want to get 30 likes in 1 minute. Here we go. 30 likes. All right, here we go. There's 38 watching. There's 38 watching, and there's 13 likes. Smash the like button if you like the show and you want to see more of it, or hit the down like button if you don't like the video and you don't want to see any more. It's up to you, but do something. Like the video or down like the video. I don't mind what you do. Just do something. Here we go. 13 likes. How many are we gonna get? We got to get 30, right? Check it out. 13 likes. How are we gonna do? 13 likes. It's not moving. It's not moving. Something's going on here today. 3, 2, 1. It didn't move. What happened there? It didn't even move one. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. It didn't even move once. I don't know what's going on there this afternoon. We'll come back to that. That was a bit slow. All right, the stocks are going sideways now. I was hoping we'd get a bit of a rally into the close, but it's not looking good. We've got a little bit of a bounce, but now everything's giving up again. Amazon's giving up again. Apple's going sideways. We bought some more when it went down. And we're up 6% overall on Apple. We've got a bigger position now. Next year energy, Enphase, it's come up a bit. You should refresh. Aha. You're probably right. Let's do that. Oh, there you go. That's better. You're absolutely right. We're at 25 now. Sometimes, 99 times out of 100, it works fine like this. But yeah, sometimes maybe you need to refresh, and I just have. Anyway, I thought it was odd. Anyway, Niels, thank you very much indeed. How is your health? Are you fine now when you came from hospital? Hope you are fine. Who's not very well? If I have to choose only one, Hood and Palantir, which will it be? How is your health? Are you fine now when you come from hospital? Hope you are fine. Monstrous Channel, I'm fine. What do you mean? Evening all. If it wasn't for my defensive stock, says Bernard Foxton, my portfolio would be more battered than a barn door in a storm. Oh dear, oh dear. Thanks, Leah. Yeah, got my cup of tea here. It's lovely as well. Okay. Coca-Cola, J&J still going up. We're looking for some movement tonight. We want to go to Plug power in the morning. It's up today, 0.93. Oh, sorry, I beg your pardon. That's not. This is Plug down today, 5.23. I'm down 16% on it. I didn't put my money in it. Decided it wasn't right for me at the moment. So there we go. Rocket Lab as well. We're covering that tomorrow night. Let's have a look at that one. That's also down today, 3%. I did not get a notification for you going live. Well, let me show you why that is. Do you want to know why that is? I'll share with you why that is. Okay, here we go. This is how you subscribe properly to my channel. All right. There's a proper way. There's a right way and a wrong way. So you can go and click the unsubscribe now, look, just to see this. Click the unsubscribe, look. Click that. And then make sure then you subscribe with the bell. Set the bell to all. If the notification is set to all, you'll be notified when I go live. That's the first part of it. So go and resubscribe. All right, with the bell turned on. Okay, you done that? All right, so you've made sure that you are subscribed with the bell. Now what you need to do is turn your notifications on your device, computer, mobile, whatever. You may have the notifications silenced or turned off or muted or once a day, or there's a whole host of options that you have. But you need to make sure that you've rung the bell and set it to all as the first thing. You can go and unsubscribe and resubscribe, and you will see if you've done that. Is there any fusion reactor stock? Any fusion reactor stock? That's a good question. I don't know is the answer to that. How's the cross trainer you bought recently? Is it back in the box? Well, it isn't good. It isn't good news. I should be using it 3 times a week. And you all know yeah. Leah, brilliant. Leah's on it all the time. I am going to do... I would have done it tonight after earnings, after the show, but we got earnings tonight. So I will make a point, though. This is a promise, and you can all check me in the morning. After earnings tonight, I will go and run on it, okay? Because I have to get back into it. I can't focus on this show above my health. I have to do it. So I will run on it tonight after earnings, okay? After earnings. But Matt Coverley, thanks for asking. Is it in the box? It's not in the box, but not far off. Sorry, Andy Shovel. Sorry, me again. Not at all, Andy. For those of us who can't tune in every show, do you ever note down when you buy and sell space as a summary for people who want to follow your moves? Sorry, no. Don't ever apologize. First of all, you should never follow my moves. You absolutely should not. No one should follow my moves. I don't give financial advice. You know, my understanding of the stock is very different than yours. My research is different than yours. My financial situation is different than yours. But but what I do is I announce all of my trades on Twitter. So that's the professional way of doing it. That's how I share with everyone. I do it live in the show. I also do it on the videos that I put out afterwards. If you don't watch, remember, on the homepage of the channel is the live videos, upcoming live streams, but there's also the videos for the different stocks. So you can see what I've been buying and selling throughout the day. You can see them here. These are the videos. There's also playlists with your favorite videos as well. Okay, but yes, all my trades, most of them go on Twitter, and you might as well just get a free account from Twitter to follow me. I mean, if that's what you're looking for, but you shouldn't follow me anyway. And I have to say, we have to start calling it X, I'm afraid, don't we? Anyway, there is my X account. We can't call it Twitter anymore, can we? There you go. This is it over here, and I post my trades there. See, this morning I posted what I was doing, look. See, I just said, look. I just added 30% to my end phase position. I just added more Virgin Galactic. Before I buy and as I buy, I share with the world. So our aim is to be the most honest, reliable, trustworthy channel on YouTube TV. That is our aim. Moonrock NL, is that the Netherlands? Moonrock NL just followed me on Twitter. Thank you very much indeed for following me. Appreciate that very much indeed. If you reply to comment, I will reply to all of my comments that I get. So there you go. Okay, there is my account on X. Okay, and also, Andy, if you are a member of the channel, I will make videos for you. You can run polls. I will answer all your questions. I'm here to help you. VTGN is up 700%. Thank you, Raman. Shovel, I recommend not copying someone's moves. Indeed, never copy anyone. Anyone in a team know fusion stock reactor? I can't find one. Please, if someone knows, help me. I don't know one, I'm afraid. Somebody on Discord or my Twitter family will know the answer to that, I'm sure. Martyn, do you think it's worth buying some shares of NEE? Yes, I've just done it. And when does it pay a dividend? Yes, it pays. I'll do that for you now, Pete Barker. Just bear with me. I've been buying NEE all the way down. I've quadrupled my position. So yeah, absolutely. I was like 20% down thereabouts. I'm now down 7.94, as you can see. I've been buying all the way down. I've quadrupled. And now you want to know when is the ex-dividend date? I shall give it to you now. So here we go. NEE, Next Era Energy. The ex-dividend date is, I shall give it to you now. Right, it was declared 46.75 cents a share. It's a very good dividend. And they confirmed that the ex-dividend date is the 29th of August. The 29th of August. So we have 22 days to go. So 3 weeks. 3 weeks, but remember, your stocks need to be settled to receive those dividends. So we're bound to see NEE start to rally in the next week or so. So yes, it's down low. I think it's worth buying. I've been buying it. Yeah, very, very happy. Yeah, there's my position. I don't think, I have another, I've got money in the Roth as well, which I will trim out. As it pops up, I will sell as it trims out. We can see, look at that over 3 months, over the year to date, 1 year. Look at that. Yeah, it's definitely a time to buy NEE, in my opinion. Any solar, for some reason, solar is all being beaten up right now. I think it's very short term, very short sighted. We all know that the markets overreact upwards and downwards. So there we go. Right. There he is, Sam. Owl's the beautiful man. I'm not doing great. My grandma had just been told she's got cancer at the age of 95, maybe weeks to live or months, but I'm still smiling just like you. I'm very sorry to hear that, Sam. We're all sorry to hear that. You've got a wonderful grandma, and we're always sad to hear any news like that. So, our thoughts are with you, mate. Yeah. Andy, great. Thanks a lot, bud. You're very welcome. I'm glad I made you laugh. So I win the $200. Right, we're giving away $200 on our show. Free to enter, free for all. If you want to know all about it, roll up, get all about it. Here is the $200 video. Here it is. There's the $200 video. It'll tell you how to enter. Let me give it to you. Go and have a little watch. There you go. And you know where it's going to be. It's going to be on the competition page. You all know where that is by now. martynlucas.com/giveaway. There's the competition page. There it is. It starts. It's open now. You can go and get yourself bookmarked for this website. There it is. And you can see the competition actually starts in 2 days. And you want to be in at the beginning because every day there's going to be daily tickets you can win. $200 in cash. Gotta be good, right? Free to enter, free for all. Howdy, says Caden Youngquist. I am good with NVIDIA. Okay. Can you tell us newbies how to become a member of the channel? Very welcome. Here is the link. It's below all the videos. It's below all the descriptions. It's on the homepage of the channel. But here is the link as well. There you go. Now, you might need a browser. It might not work on your phone, depends on your phone. But, yep, you can become a member from a couple of bucks a month. Anyway, the choice is yours. And you see nearly everybody with a badge in our channel. Yes, sorry to hear that, Sam. That's from Andy Shovel. Sorry to hear that, Sam. Yes, PayPal launches his own crypto stablecoin. That's interesting. From Delph. Thank you, Mike. Love you, mate. There you go. You got a lot of support here, as you know. Right, we've got 20 minutes to go before the bell goes. Virgin Galactic is starting to come up. Will my portfolio turn green by the end of the day? What do you think? What do you think? It's down very slightly. Down very slightly. Not that much now. 0.26, $105 out of 40 grand. Not that much. And the Roth IRA is just 0.28. Not that much. And we bought a lot of shares on the way down with profits we made on the way up, which is how you do it, right? So there you go. Looking good. We've got another all-time high, 10,021 subscribers. If you missed our 10,000 celebration, if you missed it, it's on the homepage of the YouTube channel. You can find out what happened when we celebrated 10,000 subscribers. It was at live, and it was a lot of fun, and it lives there on the channel. If it go green, you beat the market. Well, not quite. No, because you can see the S&P is at 0.96. I bought much more risky stocks at the moment. That's why I'm down a little bit, but that's okay. I can live with that. It's all part of the game. All right, let's have a quick sip. What should I have? Tea or Coke? Tea or Coke? I'll have a Coke. There you go. Tesla killed my portfolio today. We're right with you, Caden. Let me bring up my Tesla. I'm exactly the same. But it's rising again now. I'm up 25% on my main position. I'm up slightly unless Palantir is going to ruin the party. Welcome in, Andy. Andy, have I just missed somebody? Andy Shovel. Andy Shovel says... Mike's welcoming Andy. I think Andy wants to become a member, and we would give him a huge welcome if he comes in and give him all his benefits, of course. Thank you, Andy. Thank you, Mike, for doing a great job. I'm up slightly, says Niels. You drink Coke, you pump Coke. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Monstrous Channel. Absolutely. Roll up, buy your Coke, buy your Coke. Here he is the man of the hour. This is our sponsor. Sensei Crypto is sponsoring our giveaway. $200. Tesla has a long way to go. We covered it as a sell when Elon Musk himself said sell on earnings. Correct. Himself said it. So what did I do? I sold a couple of shares at the top. I've been buying on the way down with the profits I made. Abso-flipping-lutely. And I'm very happy to do that. All right, let's get ready to rock and roll. We've got 15 minutes to go. Sensei Crypto. So, Sensei, did you want to call in today and talk about your giveaway? I'll open up the broadcast lounge just in case you do. Just in case you do. There you go. The broadcast lounge is open should you wish to call in. Imagine one day you have 1 million+ subscribers and then you drink Coke and pump Coke. That'd be great, wouldn't it? Sitting here going, right, everybody, I've got 1 million subscribers, and I want everyone to buy Coca-Cola as I drink this can of Coke. Yep, it'd be great. Can't wait for it. Just bought a couple of NEE and might add a few more up to the ex-dividend at the end of the month. I think so. It's starting to rise now. I'm still 8% down, of course. I could still buy some more, but I've got $5,300. It's a strong position. I don't need to buy anymore. Just bought Right Aid Corporation, RAD, says Delph. Expect a lot of volatility, says Delph. All right, expect a lot of volatility. Okay, now then, we are going over now to members only comments. Sorry I can't today, but very excited for this giveaway. Always getting better. I know. It's our best ever, isn't it? It's our highest ever cash prize. We had a bigger prize with Ed of the training, but this is the biggest cash prize we've ever had. No question about it. Very, very exciting. Yeah, really, really good. It should be very, very popular. So we're very excited about it. Sensei, thank you very much for doing it. Montrose, is there any stocks with rises with interest rate? Is there any stocks which rises with interest rate rises? Well, yes, defensive stocks. Defensive stocks. You want things like J&J, of course. You want Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble. These are all the defensive stocks that I hold that protect during inflation, but nothing is guaranteed, though. But that's why I always have defensive positions. It's like having an army, right? You need your strikers, you need your frontline assassins, but you also need your defense, right? You also need your defensive stocks, which hold your balance up and protect your portfolio, also provide you with a source of funds, often regarded as a source of funds where you can go to and, trim off the top, take some profits, and then buy back something that's lower and something that has a greater potential of rising, which is, how you do it, right? You can buy ETFs, then short stocks. You can. I don't do any shorts. That's not for me. Talk to Caden, talk to Sensei. In fact, talk to any of our members, because then we can verify their information. They share the links on Discord, and it's all verified. Anyway, wish everybody the best. So to celebrate our 10,000 subscribers, here it is. Look. 10,021. We are giving away $200 in cash, and we are going live from midnight on the 10th of August for a special Virgin Galactic flight. Now, last time during the show, we had 22,000 people join us live. This time could be even more. We've got more friends, more members, a bigger community. We're giving away our biggest ever cash prize, and I'm back in the stock, so it should be very good. Looking forward to it. Lockheed won DARPA Space Nuclear Power Mars ship mission for 2027 will beat Rocket Lab or SpaceX. I can't verify that, of course. Monstrous Channel is not a member of our channel. We don't know who he is, just to be clear. Just to be fair to everybody. Okay. We've got 10 minutes to go. Tonight we are going straight into, this show is going straight into our Rocket Lab, I beg your pardon, Palantir earnings straight after this. So we're going to end the show in about 10 minutes, and then we're going to go straight into Palantir's earnings, okay? So join us for that. We'll end the show. So we'll go day trade. I beg your pardon. We'll go members only now. So only members can communicate with me. We have to focus on members' questions and talk about Palantir earnings. So members only now can message me. There's the invitation if you wish to become a member. We have to focus on the members because it's a big earnings, and all the members will have questions and want to know what's going on. And we want to make sure that we see all the members' questions. So here we go. Members now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, here we go. So, members earnings. We are covering Palantir tonight. I'm still learning about this stock. I'm still not in the stock. Let's learn tonight. This is the company. We're talking about AI. Please, can you send the link for Palantir earnings? Of course I can. It's on the homepage of the YouTube channel. If you go on the homepage of the channel and look at the top, upcoming live streams, there you go. It's also in the chat, and it's also pinned to the top of the chat. But I'll also give it you again here at the bottom of the chat. So it's everywhere you like. It's everywhere. All right. Who wants to be the first person to leave a comment? There you go. There's the Palantir earnings. Let me go there and see who's already there in the house. Great stuff. It's going to the moon, says the Fight Channel. There you go. There's the Fight Channel. It's going to the moon, says Fight Channel. That's our Barbie doll videos, if you've ever seen any of those. All right. Go and check Fight Channel out. Okay. There it is. All right. You've all got it? Okay. Right. Let's do day trader of the day, because we're going to end the show right on the bell. And then we're going to go straight over into straight over into Palantir's earnings. So we need to finish right on the bell. So let's members only now. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's find out who wins, who loses, who's down the most, up the most. Remember, if you want to take part in any of our competitions, make sure first of all that you click the live button, turn it from grey to red. There you go. Now you're 30 seconds behind, but you want to become 10 seconds behind, which is as much as you can. Click the cog, click playback speed, go double, and now you'll be up to date within 10 seconds. Turn it from grey to red. There you go. Now you're 30 seconds behind, but you want to become 10. There you go. All right. Very, very important. Turn from 30 seconds plus behind to just 10 seconds. All right. Now we can do day trader of the day. Now I am down not much. I've risen throughout the day, as you can see, but we're just going sideways now. So down 0.31%. We're doing it early before the bell because we've got Palantir earnings. So we have to end the show very quickly and reset for the Palantir earnings. This is Palantir. It's going up now. M. McDonald is down 0.72. So I'm in the lead at the moment. Let's see how I come out tonight. I'm down 0.31. M. McDonald's down 0.72. So I'm leading the charge at the moment, but I don't think I'm going to win today. My stocks are very defensive, so they're not really moving much. We're just holding a steady position. Zaxate is down 2.89, down 0.41. So far, I'm winning. So far, should I just end it? I'll just end it now and go, I've won then. All right, let me put a minute on the clock, just so I can't cheat. There you go. All right, I'm down 0.25. I'm getting better. Ooh. Am I going to win? I haven't won for weeks. Stocks are coming up quickly. Virgin Galactic is coming up. PLTR is coming up. Gold is coming up. S&P is coming up. Amazon. Apple. Next Era Energy. Enphase. It's all coming up. All the stocks that we've got are all coming up. Coke. 20 seconds. J&J. Kenvue. Chevron. Tesla. Doing well. I think I might win. I'm down 0.31, which actually is now 0.25. That's it. Oh, right on the bell. I was just about to announce myself as the winner, and Henrik came in, spoiled the party with 0.29. There we go. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. Absolutely fantastic. Congratulations to Henrik, who wins today. Does very, very well indeed. There we go. Jojo S is down today, 0.3. Very, very nice indeed. Very, very nice, Henrik. Jojo S is down 0.3. There you go. The winner today was Henrik from Denmark. We have members in 38 countries around the world. Nice Hebron. There you go. Very, very good indeed. Well done. There you go. Everyone's there you go. Here come the congratulations. I love it. Louis Campion. Thank you. Campion. There you go. M. McDonald. Henrik. There you go. Congratulations. Henrik did very, very, very well. From Denmark today. Absolutely wonderful stuff indeed. All right. I like it. Doing good, right? We're slowly improving. Bloody autocorrect. Yeah, I know. Don't you just hate it? Drives you bonkers, doesn't it? Drives you up the flipping wall. It really does. Anyway, there we go. Virgin Galactic is just moving up now. Palantir. I could turn green in a minute. I'd love I've got 4.5 minutes to go. Will I be able to turn the studio green in the next 4.5 minutes? Okay. So there's Palantir earnings. If you want to join us for that, the link is in the chat, pinned to the top. You can see it there. Or on the homepage of the channel, it's the next upcoming live stream. Brilliant stuff. Excellent. Now then, just before we go, I will give you the competition page. For those of you that would like to win $200 sponsored by Sensei Crypto, here is the giveaway. There it is, $200 in cash. There is the website. This is what you'll see when you go there. There it is. And $200 in cash. Oh, 0.8, I'm nearly green. And it launches on the flight with Virgin Galactic, midnight on August the 10th, Central Time, so 1 a.m. Eastern Time, which will be about 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4 a.m. in the UK. All right, so when you wake up, it would have started, and you want to make sure that you're in on the first day. You don't want to miss it, right? Okay, there it is. Free to enter, free for all. 3 minutes to go. I think we might be able to turn the studio green. There you go. Look. Very nice indeed. Just slowly pushing up. The S&P is in blue. I'm in red. And you can see I'm just slowly catching back up again. Good. Right then. We're going to end right on the bell because we have to get ready for Palantir earnings, of course. So I'll be right back with that. Let me just see if I've got any comments to reply to on Twitter. No. Okay, just wanted to make sure. No comments on stock quits. No. Okay, just wanted to make sure. Excellent. Okay. The S&P is doing nicely. Best YouTube channel in the world, says Mike. I love it. Thank you, Mike. Can you believe it? We're at 10,000 subscribers now. It's amazing, isn't it? And do you know what's really amazing, Mike, is the fact that it took 2 years to get to 10,000, and yet my projection is to get to 100,000 in less than the next 2 years. Isn't that amazing? So what it took to get to 10,000, we're going to get to 100,000 in perhaps less time than it took to get to 10. Isn't that incredible? The giveaway starts in 2 days. Correct. The giveaway starts in 2 days. There it is. You click on it and it'll tell you days until open. 2. But you can go there and you can see what's going on, and you can bookmark it. You can go and watch this video to learn all about it. All right, so don't just do nothing. It's just there to get you warmed up, right? All right, here we go. We're down to the last few seconds before we ring the bell. Okay. We could turn green any second now. We're just 0.28 away. Here we go. 30 seconds to go. Let's get the Sensei bell ready. Here it is. 28 seconds to go. And we're going to ring the bell. 20 seconds to go. Ready? We're going to count it down. And then we're going to be out of here with the Palantir earnings. Unfortunately, we are still most certainly red. Unfortunately, in 3, 2, 1. The bell has gone. We've rung the bell and my ears are ringing again. And let's see what's moving after the bell. Let's have a quick look. All right. My ears are ringing again. Virgin Galactic down in the after hours. Palantir up. Earnings. Oh, gold popped up then for a second. See that? S&P. Amazon. Apple. NEE always going down again. Enphase slowly making its way back up again. All right, that's it for me. We're going to get out of here. So thank you ever so much, everyone, for joining us. We're going to get out now because it's the Palantir earnings in just a few minutes' time. So we're going to go there now. The link is in the chat. It's pinned to the top. It's on the homepage of the YouTube channel. It's there. I shall give it to all my friends watching us on Rumble. We've got a nice little audience on Rumble today. Thank you guys for joining me on Rumble this afternoon. There's 7 of you watching. Thank you ever so much for tuning in. Appreciate you all. But it's time now to... this is my Rumblers, look. There they are. There's 7 over there, look. There you go. Okay. That's it. Let's do the end credits. I'll see you back in a few minutes' time for the earnings of Palantir. And then first thing in the morning, it's plug, power. And then we've got the main show, opening and closing. And then we've got Rocket Labs in the evening. Oh my God. Can you believe how much we're doing? Live stuff here. Absolutely amazing. All right. Thank you ever so much, members. I will see you back in a few minutes' time for the earnings. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Here we go. Did we get any credits today? I don't know. Stars of our show were nobody. Absolutely rubbish. Not a single super chat, not a single member, not a single subscriber. Oh my God. Okay, that's all right. It's live, right? Everything happens on a live show. Let me end that. Get out of here, because that's a complete bloody waste of time. And we'll get out of it. I'll see you back in a minute. We will play out the song, though, just because I like it. And it's what we do. We always play the song. Unless we don't. All right? Let's have a quick look. What's being watched? 10,021 subscribers. Nearly 4,000 views in the last... Oh, most of that in the last 24 hours. In fact, the last 12 hours, actually. Everyone, the biggest things being searched for is Palantir. That makes sense. 102 in the last hour. That's very interesting. Virgin Galactic is being searched for the giveaway. Very nice indeed. That's it from me. All right. I will see you back in a bit. As always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto. Most importantly, take care of each other. See you back in a minute. Don't go away. Join us for Palantir earnings.